how to use Apple Pay Express Transit. Here's how it works. Load up the wallet app on your iPhone and then just click on any card which you have added here. Now press the eye icon in the top right corner, and from here you should see an option called Express Transit Settings. Click on Express Transit Settings and it's going to take you to the settings of your iPhone, and here you will be able to see a list of all of your payment cards. Now how this is going to work is essentially you choose a card from this list and then you will be able to use it for the subway, for metro, buses, if your country supports it. So basically you just need to choose the card which you want to use. Then you will press the side button so you activate your tap to pay, and you can use that card to tap to pay for the metro or subway. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.